Microsoft's market success strategy, a case study. The birth of Microsoft.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
In the mid-1970s in the town of Albuquerque, New Mexico, Bill Gates and Paul Allen dared to dream, huddling in a small dorm room at Harvard University shared a vision. This vision changed the world of computing forever, an uncertain goal to put a computer on every desk in every home. Microsoft's first big break came when they signed a contract with MITS, Micro Instrumentation and Telemetry Systems, a microcomputer company, to provide a basic interpreter for their Altair 8800. This crucial moment led the success of their basic interpreter, allowing Microsoft to expand its horizons. Gates and Allen developed a basic interpreter, fittingly named Altair Basic, for the MITS Altair 8800. This basic interpreter was revolutionary because it allowed users to program the Altair using a high-level language, making it accessible to a wider audience. It became a hit among early computer enthusiasts, and this achievement laid the foundation for Microsoft's future. Microsoft's incredible journey. Every tech giant has its modest starts, and Microsoft is no exception. Today, Microsoft is a name synonymous with advanced software innovation, global tech control, and a universal presence on countless computers worldwide. But how did it all begin? Just like every other successful venture, it began with a dream and a well-thought-out Microsoft advertising strategy. Windows, the operating system breakthrough. The turning point to their success was the licensing deal with IBM in 1980. IBM was working on a top-secret project, the IBM PC. To meet IBM's request, Microsoft purchased an operating system known as 86-DOS. With a few modifications and updates, it was then named MS-DOS. This deal with IBM helped Microsoft introduce to the mainstream and making MS-DOS the operating system for the IBM PC. Fast forward to 1985, Microsoft introduced the new Windows 1.0, a graphical user interface (GUI) for MS-DOS. Windows was a game-changing operating system with the best-known user-friendly experience. Further innovations like Windows 3.0, Windows 95, and Windows XP took Microsoft to the top in the software industry. Decoding Microsoft's marketing secret, 4P marketing mix. Not just Microsoft, about every tech giant with global recognition, including Microsoft marketing mix, owes a significant part of its success to its specifically crafted marketing mix, often referred to as the 4Ps. These Microsoft 4Ps, the 4 pillars, serve as the cornerstone of Microsoft's marketing strategy, encapsulating their approach to reaching millions of customers worldwide. The Microsoft marketing strategy effectively utilizes these principles to connect with a vast and diverse global audience. Microsoft's product marketing strategy. Innovative software solutions. Microsoft's product portfolio is a testament to innovation. From the iconic Windows operating system to the versatile Microsoft Office suite and cutting-edge cloud solutions like Azure, their products cater to a vast spectrum of individual and business needs. Hardware excellence. Beyond software, Microsoft has ventured into hardware, producing devices like the Surface lineup, exemplifying their dedication to quality and innovation in hardware development. This commitment extends to their Xbox marketing strategy, where they strategically position their gaming consoles in the ever-evolving tech landscape, fostering both innovation and gaming experiences. Constant evolution. Microsoft's commitment to product development and improvement is unwavering. Regular updates, patches, and new features keep their software and services relevant and secure. Microsoft's price strategy. Diverse pricing models. Microsoft adopts a flexible pricing strategy, offering a variety of pricing models, from one-time purchases to subscription-based services. This approach accommodates both individual users and enterprises, allowing them to choose what best suits their budget and needs. Value for money. Microsoft ensures that its products and services deliver tangible value. Whether it's the productivity boost from Office 365 or the scalability of Azure, customers often find that Microsoft's offerings justify their cost. Microsoft's Play strategy. Global accessibility. Microsoft's products and services are accessible worldwide. Whether you're in a bustling metropolis or a remote village, Microsoft's reach ensures that you can access their solutions. Partner network. Microsoft's extensive network of partners and distributors facilitates the availability of their products in physical and digital marketplaces. This network ensures that Microsoft's solutions are never out of reach. Microsoft's promotion strategy. Strategic partnerships. Microsoft has a knack for forming strategic partnerships with other industry leaders. Collaborations with companies like Adobe, SAP, and LinkedIn enhance the appeal of Microsoft's offerings and expand their customer base. Educational initiatives. Microsoft invests heavily in educational programs and resources, making their products accessible to students and educators. This not only fosters brand loyalty but also ensures that future professionals are well-versed in Microsoft tools. Digital marketing. Microsoft employs a robust digital marketing strategy, utilizing social media, content marketing, and online advertising to reach and engage with their audience effectively. Their presence in the digital landscape is pervasive. The 4P marketing mix, including product, price, place, and promotion, is the core framework for shaping Microsoft's marketing strategy. This strategic approach, known as the Microsoft Marketing Mix, plays a pivotal role in guiding the company's marketing efforts. However, they may also incorporate additional strategies, such as people and processes, part of the 6P, to enhance their marketing efforts. Nonetheless, the Microsoft 4Ps, including Microsoft Marketing Strategy, are the fundamental components of their marketing strategy. Microsoft's marketing strategies for global tech supremacy. Microsoft's journey to tech supremacy has been marked by astute marketing strategies, including a nuanced focus on the Microsoft Marketing Strategy, which has set industry standards. These strategies encompass a range of approaches, each contributing to their global dominance. 1. Microsoft's precision with STP marketing. Segmentation, targeting, and positioning (STP) have been pivotal in Microsoft's success story. Microsoft meticulously segments its vast and diverse customer base, allowing for tailored marketing efforts. By identifying the unique needs of various segments, such as through particular Microsoft market segmentation, they create targeted campaigns and solutions, ensuring that their products resonate with the right audience. Microsoft's positioning strategy, emphasizing innovation, reliability, and user centricity, solidifies their place in customers' minds as a tech leader. 2. CRM strategy for building customer bonds. Building lasting customer relationships is a cornerstone of Microsoft's marketing strategy. They utilize customer relationship management (CRM) tools to collect valuable data and insights. This data-driven approach enables Microsoft to anticipate customer needs, personalize experiences, and provide exceptional support. By nurturing these relationships, Microsoft fosters brand loyalty and advocates among its customer base. 3. Events and sponsorship. Microsoft's presence at major industry events and strategic sponsorships, such as those aligned with their robust Microsoft marketing strategy, is a testament to their commitment to global tech supremacy. They leverage these platforms not only to showcase their latest innovations but also to engage with customers, partners, and developers. These events serve as hubs for networking, knowledge sharing, and building a vibrant tech ecosystem.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.